Here we go!
To coincide with National Robotics Week, iRobot, the makers of the Roomba robot vacuum cleaner, have released an online simulator for their Root STEM robot kit. So let's have a look at that, and to find it you just need to go to code.irobot.com, and there it is. There's a simulator. I think at our level you can code in level 2, but that's up to you. Have a look at it, play around with the thing, and we'll find something to do with it. And it's quite simple. It's blocks based, so you quite simply as ever move blocks into place and then press play, and away it goes, changing the speed down here. I'm quite impressed. I've had a little look at it this morning, only a slight glance. I'm going to look at it some more. So that is code.irobot.com, and it's for their little Root robot. We shall delve into this some more.